Hey everybody, happy 4th of July. Tom here. I saw this recipe today. I was just checking out for something new to do on 4th of July for breakfast. And I saw this great recipe. I think it's going to be really good, so I had to give it a try. It's like a tomato omelet pie thingy. And it really looked good. And I just happen to have some tomatoes. So I thought I'd give it a try, and yeah, so let's make a tomato omelet pie on the 4th of July. Alright, first we're going to slice some tomato. Use a very sharp knife. Thank you, Cutco. No, I don't work for Cutco, but they have a really good knives. Alright. Why am I speaking I'm speaking like Doogie the dog. Alright. Cut some tomatoes. Okay, now we need 3 eggs. A little bit of salt. Some pepper, some French style or Italian style spice, and mix that up a bit, and let's add 3 tablespoons of oil, let's put in our tomatoes, Five minutes, and that sure looks good to me. So I'll just take that lid off and get this onto a plate. Slice that up. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. I'm gonna eat it. All right, let's see how this came out. Looks pretty good to me. I have a feeling it's gonna be really good. Let's give it a try, shall we? Oh yeah, very good. Does that look yummy? That is a different type of omelet. It's very classy, don't you know? It's extremely yummy. And really easy to make.